sublimated girl. Hi, sweetie. And her mama is Mary Ellen. Dad is Yeti. You gonna sniff the phone? Say hello. This is why it's hard to get videos of you, because you want to eat the phone. Yeah. You want to eat the phone. Hi, sweetheart. She's gonna be a big girl. She's gonna be a big old girl. Yeah. Hi, sweetheart. Okay, I'm gonna turn around this way. The way I can see you both. Mr. Cowboy is our solid blue bicolor. Mr. Cow Spots. Hello, Miss Angel. Hello, Miss Angel. Come around this way. Hi, beautiful girl. Hi, beautiful girls. Hi, Miss Angel. You coming to visit? You gonna come lay on Angel? Well, Angel is a traditional seal bicolor girl. Super sweetie. She's gonna be a chunk too. Hey, sweetheart. And Molly's gonna come join. Molly's a traditional seal lynx mitted. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetie.